Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this video, I will deliver my lecture on the topic rocks and types of rocks. First of all, we will learn what are rocks. The Earth's crust is made up of various types of rocks. Any natural mass of mineral matter that makes up the Earth's crust is called a rock. Rocks can be of different color, size, and texture. Types of rocks. There are three major types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. How to remember these three types of rocks? Remember SIM. S stands for sedimentary rocks, I stands for igneous rocks, and M stands for metamorphic rocks. What is the word origin of three rocks? Igneous is a Latin word which means fire. Sedimentary is also a Latin word, sedimentum, meaning settled down. Metamorphic has been derived from a Greek word metamorphos, meaning change of form. The first type of rock is igneous rocks. When the molten magma cools, it becomes solid. Rocks thus formed are called igneous rocks. They are also called primary rocks. There are two types of igneous rocks. First one is intrusive igneous rocks and second one is extrusive igneous rocks. What are intrusive igneous rocks? Sometimes the molten magma cools down deep inside Earth's crust. Solid rocks so formed are called intrusive igneous rocks. Since they cool down slowly, they form large grains. Granite is an example of intrusive igneous rocks. Grinding stones used to prepare paste or powder of spices, and grains are made of granite. The second type of igneous rocks is extrusive igneous rocks. Lava is actually fiery and fiery red molten magma coming out from the interior of the earth on its surface. When this molten lava comes on the earth's surface, it rapidly cools down and becomes solid. Rocks formed in such a way on the crust are called extrusive igneous rocks. They have a very fine grained structure. For example, basalt. The Deccan Plateau is made up of basalt rocks. The second type of rocks is sedimentary rocks. Rocks roll down, crack, and hit each other and are broken down into small fragments. These smaller particles are called sediments. These sediments are transported and deposited by wind, water, etc. These loose sediments are compressed and hardened to form layers of rocks. These types of rocks are called sedimentary rocks. For example, sandstone is made from grains of sand. These rocks may also contain fossils of plants, animals, and other microorganisms that once lived on them. The third type of rocks is metamorphic rocks. Igneous and sedimentary rocks can change into metamorphic rocks under great heat and pressure. For example, clay changes into slate and limestone into marble.